Sometimes you want to change how the language works or displays inside Moodle, and this video is going to show you how to make that work, but also it will demonstrate why that is sometimes not advisable to do. And in this case we're going to be wanting to change the word blog to journal, for example. Now, the blogging function in Moodle allows your learners, your users to keep a record of what they're learning, what they're discovering as they're working through your courses, and you can add the blog block to your courses and get people to add their thoughts as they go through. So, but sometimes the word blog doesn't really work, and so in this case we'll try and change it to journal. So what I'm doing here is I'm in the admin setting and I'm going to language customization, and we only have one language pack set up in this site. We'll go to English and I'm going to open that language pack to edit it. So that's now loading up, and continue. So we have here the blog section. What you're presented with is all the different language packs, but I found one that's specifically for blog. There may be other instances of the word blog that appear throughout the site, and you can search for those if you want to, but let's stick with the main one for now. And I'm going to search for any instance of the word blog. So I'm going to show the strings, and if we scroll down we'll see every string here. And a string is a set of text that has the word blog in it. So this is the standard text. Here we've got register and external blog, and we can customize that. We could change that to whatever we want it to say whenever that particular phrase is going to be requested by the system. Now, that is probably not one we want to change, because that's about external blogs. It's nothing about the internal blogging thing. But here we might want to change this one, blog about the course, and then it's given the course name. This little bit of code here actually brings the course name. So we might want to change that to write a journal entry about course, and then we put the code in, string A, course name. And then we might want this one, blog about, and then it's a particular module. So again, we'd write a journal entry about, and then copy that chunk of code and put it in here. And you work your way through, hopefully finding all the entries that you want to change and changing it to what you need. Now, as you can see, looking at the scroll bar, there are a lot of entries for the word blog here. It's similar to the word course. If you ever get someone that wants to change the word course in Moodle, try and dissuade them, because the word course just appears so many times, and here we've got something similar. The word blog appears so many times, and you've got to work out, is this one we really want to change? So I'm going to leave you with that. I'm not actually going to save these changes. It was just a demonstration to show you what is possible.